In this lecture, we are going to discuss the model of European Foundation for Quality Management, or shortly, the EFQM model. And in this lecture, we have 5 points, which are: first, what is the EFQM model? Second, what are the benefits of using the EFQM model? Third, who uses the EFQM model? Fourth, the EFQM model structure. Fifth, the EFQM diagnostic tool radar. What is the EFQM model? The EFQM model is a globally recognized management framework which allows organizations to achieve success by measuring where they are on the path towards transformation, helping them understand the gaps and the possible solutions available, and empowering them to progress and significantly improve their organization's performance. What are the benefits of using the model? Since its inception, the EFQM model has provided a blueprint for organizations across and beyond Europe to develop a culture of performance and innovation. Note that the new EFQM model allows organizations to embrace change and drive performance and evolve for the future. Here are just some of the model benefits. It helps define your purpose. Purpose is the lifeblood of any organization. Without it, there is no reason to serve. The new EFQM model places an unparalleled emphasis on the importance of purpose and vision and agile strategies to organizations if they are to create sustainable value. Also, it helps create your culture. The new EFQM model is an innovative culture creator, valuing core quality beliefs and shared goals at the heart of organizations, whilst allowing them to remain connected and committed to their vision. It helps forge strong leaders. Effective leadership keeps an organization true to its purpose and vision, which is why the new EFQM model advocates a leader at every level approach to ensure strong decision-making and collaboration and teamwork in every team and every project. Also, it helps transform your organization. Transformation takes time, and the EFQM model supplies a tried and tested framework to make the process of landing effective change as smooth and pain-free as possible. It helps foster agile practices. To be agile amid emerging threats is the maker of an effective organization. The new EFQM model provides organizational analysis and insight to lead a safe path to progress and transformation. Also, it helps address unique organizational challenges. EFQM model understands that all organizations are different and there is no one-size-fits-all approach to transformation. That's why the new EFQM model was built from the ground up to be both adaptive and to unique organizational obstacles and flexible enough to deliver on its promise of performance gains. Finally, it helps forecast the future. The new EFQM model has been designed from years of experience in changing markets to understand the benefits of organizational analysis and future forecasting and predictive intelligence in driving true transformation. Who uses the model? The model is one of the most widely used management frameworks in the world, having been adopted by global corporations, small and medium-sized enterprises, public entities, and private enterprises. Also, it's utilized in all sectors, from petrochemical to manufacturing and everything in between. The EFQM model structure. The EFQM model structure is based on the simple but powerful logic of asking three questions. First, why? Does this organization exist? What purpose does it fulfill? Why this particular strategy? So, the first construct of this model is direction. Second, how does it intend to deliver on its purpose and its strategy? So, the second construction of this model is execution. Third, what? Has it actually achieved to date? What does it intend to achieve tomorrow? So, the third construction in this model is results. Note that center the rationale of the EFQM model, the red thread, is the connection between the purpose and the strategy of an organization and how that is used to help it create sustainable value for its most important stakeholders and deliver outstanding results. A stakeholder is a person or group or organization that has a direct or indirect stake or interest in the organization or its activities and performance, because it can either affect the organization or be affected by it. Examples of external stakeholders include owners or shareholders, customers, suppliers, partners, government agencies, and representatives of the community or the wider society. Examples for internal stakeholders are people or groups of people. An outstanding organization considers the needs, demands, requests, and expectations of the stakeholders in its ecosystem, balances them, and evaluates its performance in relation to its most important stakeholders. In other words, its key stakeholders. The first construct in the model is direction. For an organization to achieve and sustain outstanding results that meet or exceed the expectations of its stakeholders, it defines an inspiring purpose and creates a vision that is aspirational, and develops a strategy that is centered on creating sustainable value and builds a winning culture. Note that this direction setting prepares the way forward for the organization to be seen as a leader in its ecosystem and well positioned to execute its plans for the future. The second construct in the model is execution. The direction setting, as outlined above, prepares the way forward for the organization, but it then needs to execute its strategy effectively and efficiently, ensuring that it knows who the stakeholders are in its ecosystem and engages fully with those that are key to its success, and creates sustainable value, and of course, drive the levels of performance necessary for success today, and at the same time, drives the necessary improvement and transformation if it's to be successful in the future. The third construct in the model is results, which means what the organization has achieved in relation to what has been described in the direction and execution sections, including the forecast for the future. In practice, we find that an outstanding organization provides results data for stakeholder perceptions and creating sustainable value, and of course driving performance and transformation. The EFQM diagnostic tool, RADAR. RADAR is the acronym that EFQM uses to describe the logic behind the diagnostic tool it has developed to help any organization to better manage its current way of working and diagnose its current strengths and opportunities for improvement. Note that at its highest level, the radar logic states that an organization needs to first determine the results it's aiming to achieve as part of its strategy. Second, have in place a number of approaches that will deliver the required results, both now and in the future. Third, deploy these approaches appropriately. Fourth, assess and refine the deployed approaches to learn and improve. To help deliver a more robust analysis, the radar elements are broken down into a number of attributes, and with each attribute there is an associated description that expands upon what is meant and what the organization should be able to clearly demonstrate. An individual or a team can use the radar logic at the attribute level in conjunction with the EFQM model. First, to help identify where an organization's current strengths and opportunities for improvement exist. Second, to help an organization describe its future in terms of desired results and the necessary actions that need to be taken to achieve those desired results.